KKday! The Philippines has some of the best islands in the world. And in 1 minute, I hope to show you a fraction of them.
I think it's all angels just walk by.
Above water, these islands are gorgeous. They can be flat, big, small, sandy, and colorful. And all of them are just a boat ride away. Below water, these islands have a life of their own. The coral reefs, big fish, small fish, the turtles, and the dolphins. But it's not just nature that's amazing in the Philippines. It's also the people. Their hospitality, friendliness, and ability to speak with you in English make these islands even more fun. You can divide vacations into 3 categories: a boring vacation, a fun vacation, and a Filipino vacation. That's 1 minute. See you tomorrow.
God.
Make a wish.
Oh, a wish. Oh God.
Yeah.